Okay, good morning, children. I hope you are all keeping well. Yes. And the happy news is that one ninth and 10th class students will start the offline class. Okay, offline class from Monday onwards. And we hope soon we will start. 6th standard also may start. Okay, it is in an announcement and they are thinking about. Okay, yes. And I hope again you are praying every day, you have to be served, and others also, parents also. Yes. Okay, now I'll come back. The last class I have explained about the more about scratch. Okay, so that we will brief today, that I will brief today. And the happy news is that one, I hope next Saturday there is a you will start 6th and 7th will start monthly test, correct? No, yes. And you have only two chapters, that is first chapter and sixth chapter. Okay, first chapter and sixth chapter, only two chapters you have for test. And there are 5 programs, scratch programs are there. I will show you now. I will explain the class itself. Okay, and I already posted in notice board and study materials, so go through those things. Then we will brief once again, we will brief, we will revise, we will do the revision of the whole chapter today. Okay, and I'll explain that 5 program which will come for monthly test. Then once we will revise, brief it, then I will conclude. So best wishes for your next, okay, next week, I hope. Correct? No, you got the timetable. Yes. So I'm not wasting time, I'm going to the class. Okay, and I'm afraid of when I'm switch on the mic and all, and some chats and all. Yes. Okay, some that is the comments from your parents, few parents. Okay, so no need of calling these names, just you off. Okay, like that some parents suggested, so I am doing so. It's okay, no problem. Yes. Okay, and now then what else? Okay, so I'll create the stream, share my screen, and what is that? Yes, what it is. Okay, now we will see. Can you see this one? Yes, tech terms. Yes, already we have learned. Okay, had block, stack, boolean, reporter, cap block, and variable. Okay, what is a variable? It is an element whose value can vary or change. Variable means vary. Vary means changeable. Okay, clear? Now we will brief. We will sum up. We will sum up, or what we say, we will brief. Yes. Okay. The first point we have seen in this chapter is types of blocks. How many types of blocks? 6 types of blocks. Which is the first one? Had block, stack block, boolean block, reporter block, C block, and cap block. So these types of blocks are categorized or divided according to its shape. The shape of hat, that's what is called hat shape. And it is the shape of block is like C, so it is a C block. Cap, we are using as a cap, okay, closing, so cap block. So like that, stack blocks, you can keep up and down. There are two notches, top and bottom. So like that, according to the shape, the 6 blocks types are divided. And next we are seeing the categories of blocks. How it is divided? Blocks are categorized based on their functionality. So one category means a sound category, another category is a motion category, or another one is operation categories. Here, according to function, the categories are divided. How many total categories are there? 10 categories of blocks in Scratch 2, 2.0. Which is the first one? Motion. Why we use the motion? Blocks control the movement of the sprite. Motion means movement. Yes. Second one, looks. Looks means appearance of the sprite. Okay. Blocks are used to manage the appearance of the sprite. Next one is sound. Yes, of course. What is that? Play the sound. You can manage the sound, add the sound, modify the sound. Next category of block is pen. Blocks are used to manage working on Scratch pen. If you want to draw, then you use pen blocks. Okay, and each one has its own colors. Do you remember? Yes. Data. Blocks help to store and access data. Data is a to store the value. Yes, variable we said. Yes. Then event, different events. Okay, it sends events or to trigger an event based on another event. Yes. The next category is control. Blocks are used to control the execution of the project. Controlling where to go, how to go, when to go, controlling. Sensing. Blocks are used to detect various digital and analog inputs. Okay, suppose if you are running temple run, if you reach the end of the wall, then you have to turn right, left. Otherwise, what will happen? Yes, if you hit on the wall, you will sense or you will fall down. Once it is fall, then you will lose the game. So sensing. Operations, it's an arithmetical operation, that is mathematical. Perform mathematical operations plus addition, subtraction, division, everything. Then more blocks which you can create. Yes, more blocks. And as I told, 10 categories of blocks according to function it is divided, and each category has its own separate color. Got it? Yes. So we will go to the next point. What is the next point? Yes. We will see exercises 1. Okay. Can you hear me? If I switch on, some all will say ba ba ba. Okay, let it be there. No problem. Yes, I will show. Yes. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ah, very good. Very
sir.
good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now again, I will share my screen. That is, yes, of course. Now fill in the blanks. Which is the first answer? Which is the first answer? The head block is used to start script. It has a note on the correct bottom. Bottom. Yes. Second one, the dash block results in either true or false. Which block it is? Which blocks will give us true or false? Exactly. Boolean block. Boolean block. What is spelling? Boolean. What is that? Once again, repeat after me. What is spelling of Boolean blocks? Yes. Boolean. Boolean blocks. That will give us true or false or yes or no. Yes. Third one. The dash block holds character or numeric data. Which block will hold characters and numerics? Exactly. Reporter block. Correct, no? Reporter blocks? Yes. The C blocks is also called the dash block. Yes, wrap. Wrap, sorry. What is spelling of wrap? WRAP, wrap block. The dash blocks are blue in color. Yeah, we already discussed. Each categories are it is color coded. Yes, and what is the color code for blue? Which one is color coded for blue? Ah, exactly. What is that? Motion. Motion. Yes, got it. So if you have not written in the textbook with the pencil, please write it now. Write it now. First one, bottom, Boolean, reporter, wrap, and motion. Please write it down with the pencil in the textbook. Okay, write with the pencil in the textbook. Okay, now I'm moving to the next. If you can't do means in the recorded class, again, rewind and you can use. Okay, you can learn also. Yes, we will submit. Everything is correct. Got it? Now we'll go to the next one. What is next one? True or false? We'll see true or false. Yes, what is the first question? Once the sprite is on the stage, you cannot hide it. Is it true or false? Of course, once the sprite is on stage, you can hide. You can hide, you can delete. Delete means hide, or you can change to one sprite to another one. It is, yes, you can hide. So it is false. It is false. Okay, the next one. The broadcast command is received by only one sprite on the stage. Only one sprite on stage. Broadcast command is received by one sprite on the stage. One sprite. Okay, false, of course, correct. Why? Because there are many sprites on the stage. Okay, in the broadcast. Okay, cat and what is that? This one. No, what is that? Tom and Jerry. Yes, Tom and Jerry. Two are there. Always they will fight. There are two. Okay, Tom is telling, "Hey, come back. Okay, do something do to me." So Jerry will say silly things, and in between the dog also will come. Correct? No, dog also will come. So you can have many sprites. Okay. Yes. Yes. Next one. You can switch to any costume or backdrop. You can switch. Switch means you can change. You can switch to any. Can you change the backdrop means what? Background. Yes. Okay. Can you change? Of course, it is true. Next one. You can give a different look to the sprite using the paint editor. Can you give a sprite with your face, or you can draw something and put it as a sprite? Yes, of course. You can draw in the paint editor. You can draw there and make it as a scratch sprite. Okay, last one. Scratch has commands to check whether sprite touches the edge of another sprite. As I told just before, I told the example of Temple Run. Okay, or your famous what is that? Free Fire and all, PUBG. Yes, you're so happy after fighting. No, you kill. You take the what is that? Sword, or with the gun you are shooting, and the person is dying. You'll say, "Ah, happy, happy, seeing somebody's blood." Correct? No. So what is that one? When a person is running and hitting somebody else, it touches the sprite touches another one or edge, then you will get one command or replay. Yes. So that also true. Okay. We will say check that one. Yes. Please again you write it in the textbook itself. Now itself. Okay. I hope you have the textbook and everything. Yes. Okay. Those who didn't do later you do. Okay. Next. Choose the correct answer. Let us see the choose the correct answer. The first one. Which of the following describes an animation? Which is the one? A, B, C, D. Using a single sprite with a multiple costume. That is called animation? Of course. What do you mean by animation? Animate. Animate. Yes. So if you decorate a person, so one person to another person, we will see now, is it that boy? Is it that girl after your decoration? Decoration means a beautician and all. Correct, no? If you see you now, is a one costume. And if you come to marriage function, you are in a totally different. And if you're a uniform, school uniform is totally different. So the same person only, you are animating the person. So what you are doing? Using a single sprite with multiple costumes. So which is the correct answer? Yes, first one. So second, which of the following blocks will make the screen changed on the stage? Which one it is? First one, switch costume to, switch backdrop to, next costume, none of these. What is the question? Make the screen change. Screen means background. Screen always in background, no? So background is also known as backdrop in Scratch. So which is the correct answer? Switch backdrop to. The next one. Which of the following moves the sprite down? When we use the pen, then we have to draw down. So which one you will use? Change y by 10. Here you see. Change y by minus 10. You are going down. Up means y 10. X means right, and x minus 10 means left. Okay. Then which of the following blocks can be used to trigger a code when the user presses a particular key from the which block? Which block? Yeah, which one it is? B. When space key pressed. Okay. User press a particular key. So space key. Or if you want to change space key to arrow key, you can give it. Or when you press A, you can give another task, work. Yes. Last one is, which of the following is true about the variable? true about the variable. What is the definition of variable? Yes. D. It is a place to temporarily store data. What is the meaning of variable? It is a place to temporarily store data. Okay, variable. Example, simple example I will say. Okay, what is that? In your mobile, you are saving your images in one place that is called images, correct? No? Yes. So WhatsApp's images. So there is another folder called WhatsApp images. And if there are documents you are sending, so there is a another place is called document. So what is this called? Document is a variable where we store this all data there. If you want anyone to delete that one. Yes. So that is called variable. Okay. The place is to temporarily store data. Clear? Yes. We will check everything is correct. Yes. And next one comes. What is the next one? Descriptive question. And the last class already we have learned, we have written the notes and learn 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And today you have to learn 5, 6, 7, 8. Very, it's a one words only. Very few are there. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to write in the notebook and please learn. Okay. And tech types already we have seen. And now I'll come back. Yes, I'll come back. Kripa, you are getting? Yes. Okay. Chirandan. Chirandan, you are getting? So, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Otherwise,
No
I will
doubt,
stop
sir.
class. Yes.
No,
If you are talking means too much, you will talk. Any doubts are there? That chat box is on now. Chat box is on. You can type there if you have doubts. Otherwise, you can type no doubts. Then we'll go to the last point of today's. What is that one? I will explain 5 programs. Already you know. Okay, but still it's as a revision because next Saturday I think you will start the exam. Yes. So notes we should write all 1 to 8. Okay, already answered for that one. Yes. Okay. Then what else? Yes. Okay. So now your doubts. Then I will go to the next point. What is that? Scratch. Okay. What is Scratch? Look here. I will show 5 programs. You can go to what is that? This one. Teaching aid. That is a study materials, or in the notice also. You can see 5 programs, and that programs can which page. Yes, that you have to draw. How to draw? Very neatly draw with the pencil and write inside with the pen. Clear? And write question and you draw. Second question, draw like that 5. Among these 5, any 2 or 3 I will ask for this monthly test also. This monthly test also. Only 5 programs, simple programs. Okay. And in that 2 you already learned in 5th standard. Yeah, drawing square and all. Yes, we learned in the last class. Okay, last year also. So it's a revision. So practically 4 or 3. In that 1 or 2, 2 or 3, I'll ask for first monthly test. Please do the necessary things. Okay, do the practical of those things. So I'm going to share my screen to show Scratch. Okay. Yes. Okay, babies. Now the first question. What is the first question? First I will share, then I will stop that one. Your children, look here. I am sharing my screen. Okay, now can you see the Scratch program? Can you see Scratch programs? Yes, Scratch programs. There are 5 Scratch programs. Only among these 5, 2 or 3 I will ask for exam. Got it? So first one, write a Scratch program to add backdrop and the walking boy sprite on the stage. Which page number? Page number 92. Page number 9. Please take page number 92. In that one, figure 6.9. Page number 92. Got it? 6.9b. Yes, I'll go here. Yes, where is Scratch program? Yes, Scratch program. So I am going to start. the same program. Got it? So what is the first one? When green flag click, in which category? Yes, control or event. Yes, it is an event because we are starting new event. Yes, event. Click and drag. Then next one. Next one is repeat. Repeat comes in control. You are controlling. Repeat. How many times? Double click. Double click and you type how many times? 25 times or 30 times. Then what you have to repeat? Move. Move in comes in motion. Move how many steps? Okay, 5 steps or 10 steps. Let it be there. Then next costume. Where is the costume comes? Costume comes in in looks. Okay, looks. So what is the costume you are giving? Any costume you can give. Next costume or something, you can create the costume, and here it is only one costume I have given there, so you can give next costume. I didn't give here. Okay, next costume, and you wait. Wait comes in which one? Control or even control for how many seconds? 1 second or 2 seconds, 3 seconds. So when I will go to full screen and green flag, see moving, the costume is changing. Hand you see, hand you see moving. Yes, hand you see, costume is changing. The appearance is, costume means appearance. Yes, now you want to stop. It is not finished. So you click on red buttons to stop and small screen. Got it? Yes. So how many costumes for this one? Look here, costume here. Costumes. How many costumes are there? Yes, 2 costume. So you want to add one more costume means here new costume from library, or you can draw, or you can get it from your file or camera. And last you can take your camera photos and put it there. So here it is only 2 costumes, so 2 costumes will come. More means more will come. Got the program? The script. How you will get the script? Here. And when you will get the costume here, 2 costumes. So once again, this is the program. Okay, and I'm going to full screen. Green flag click. See here, hand you see. Yes, changed. Moving, changing. Moving the costume, moving, then change the costume, then again move, change the costume. So got it? So how many times? 25 times or 10 times. How much time? It will repeat. Looping. Okay, this word you keep in mind. It is necessary, needed for the 8th standard Java program and all. Yes? Okay. Got it, the first one? Of course. Okay, this if you learn 100%, and children, 100% I am telling you, if you learn the logic of this programming, surely you will get out in 10th standard Java program. 100% sure. So that's why I'm giving more important for this chapter. That's why I'm taking this chapter early. In the fresh mind, I am taking this class, programming. 5th standard you had, 6th standard now you have, 7th also you have, 8th you have Java program, 9th, 10th also Java program, and basics are same. The same thing you will get there, repeat, but the word we use, looping, already we underlined there. So children, we will go to the second program. This is the first program. Yes. So what is the second program? Write a scratch code to make the cat sprite play drum. This is already last class, correct? No, this second and third already we learned in 5th standard. This 2 second and third. Okay, cat sprite play a drum. So page number 93. Page number 93, figure 610. Figure 610. Okay, let it be there. Some are asking, please again do. Yes, I will do once again. Yes. So again, cat sprite. Okay, sprite is cat only. And the starting, what is the starting block? When green flag click. So always it will be in event. It's a new event. Second one, play sound meow. Where it is? Sound block. Yes. Next one. Again, repeat. Repeat means controlling. Repeat. How many times? How much time? 10 times or 5 times? 5 times. Then what we have to repeat? Play drum. What is a play drum? Play drum comes in sound. Play drum for Okay, you can select different drum sounds here. Different drum sound. 25 beats or 50 beats. Okay, that is depend on the, we will say pitch and beats. Okay, speech. So when I go, program is ready. Okay, page number 93, figure 610B. So output we will see here. Go to full screen and play. Green flag, click. It made a sound, meow, and made a drum sound. And how, again, what it will do? Will make a meow sound, then it will go. Okay, so here it is this here, play sound meow, repeat 5 times. Okay, drumming is there. Drumming is going on. Got it? If you want the play sound, means you can play sound here. Play sound meow, then make sound. And I told that one you can change different different drum sound. Now you can hear 5 times, then drum. Okay, beats I will increase. How much I will increase? 50. Yes, and I will give one more add. So I hope you are not confusing. Okay, because extra I am giving in this one. Wait for 1 second. Okay, now we will see full screen and green flag meow. Okay, it will make a meow sound and yes, repeat 5 slides. Play sound. So sound will keep here only. And wait, then you can understand clearly. See, only one small sound is, that's why you can't hear. See, one sound. If I am changing another sound, see one sound. Okay, and another sound. Meow. Two, two, two. Okay, so this is so in the program, this is not there. Weight is not there. Okay, so I can come back to the program. So this is your program. Clear? So you have to draw the shapes neatly with the pencil. You have to write with the pen. When green flag also, it's a symbol. So with the pencil, clicked in pen. Okay, and sound, play sound here 5 times. You can change 5 to 10 times how much time. So like this. Got it the program? Yes. And we'll go to the third program. What is third program? I'll stop sharing. I'll come back. Are you there? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good, good. So in between, I am disturbed. Means I will on the mic, so you yourself will make loud different sounds. So all will be aware. Oh, something is happening there. Okay, let it be good. So second program is over. Third program also you have learned in 5th standard. Okay, I'll share my screen. Yes. What is the next third one? Construct a scratch program to make the cat sprite draw square using pen blocks. Pen blocks. Yes. Pen blocks. Where is this? Yes. So again, event started. Green flag, click. So what is the page number? Page number 94. Figure 611B. Then what is next one? Pen down. Where it is? Pen down. Where is pen down? Yes. Then pen set, you have to set the pen size. Where is the pen size? Yes, pen size by 1, 2, 3, whatever it is. Okay, so you can give 5 or something, any number, pen size. After set pen size, then what else? Change pen color. Change pen color by 10. Then repeat. What do you have to repeat? Control, repeat, sorry, repeat. How many times? Square means 4 times you have to repeat. You can't change this 4. Okay, you can't change this 4 because you can't change. You have to draw the square. There are 4 corners, correct? Or 4 sides. So you cannot change this 4. Then what is the next one? Move 150. Move means motion. Move and 150. 150 or 100 or 200. This you can change. How much big square you need. Okay, then what else? Turn 90 degree. Turn 90 degree. Anyone. This one, right turn or left turn. Anyone you can select. In the textbook, left hand it is selected, this one, but I am selecting right hand also, it is correct. But this degree you cannot change. Why? Because square has 4 corners with a 90 degrees. If it is 80 degrees, no, you will not get a square. If it is 180 degree, you will not get square, you will get straight line. So like that. And after that, you have to clear variable comes pen, clear. With this color, you can understand. Okay, now we'll, okay, one more is there. Yes, okay, sure. It is not compulsory, but you can change. What is that? Pen set color to 0. Yes, pen set pen color to 0. Oh, where it is? Oh, sorry. Color to 0. Yes. Okay, now I'm playing full screen. I'm playing green flag. See, so fast. What happened here? It is showing, but it is you can't see, only within few seconds it goes. Why it is? Because here you see set pen color to 0. Okay, and pen becomes 0. And if it is color, if it is clear, means what will happen? So after writing this program, everything is clear. So that also I am moving. Then I will play. Yes, green flag. See here. Okay, got it? Once again, I will move here. See here, I will move the sprite here. See here. So if I use this clear here first, then what will happen? What will happen here? Clear, pen draw, then full screen. See here. Got it? So these are the different. So as it is not compulsory, but as a children, you have to learn according to its order. Why the clear come last? Okay, why this one? So, but changing each blocks, result also will change. Got it? So according to the textbook, if you are so well known in programming, after learning practical, you will why a clear is here, you can keep it here, so the result will be different. You can use. Got it? Also, those who are by heart according to same thing. Clear. Next, what is next one? So I will clear. What is the next one? So I'll show what is the next program. Yes. Fourth one, construct a scratch code to make the cat and mouse sprite talk each other using the broadcast blocks. Broadcast blocks. Page number 95. Page number 95. Take page number 95. So which are the, so you delete this one and I will take new one. Yes, so everything will be new. Yes. Okay, what is next? Page number 95, figure number 212 and 212 A and B. So you need, how many sprites you need? Mouse and cat. So cat is here. So how to insert a mouse? Okay, new sprite. Go here, library. And is there mouse? Where is the mouse? So going on down. Cat, mouse is there. Okay. Okay. So what I will do here? We'll go to animals here. So all the animals will come here. So in the animals, we will check where is the mouse. No mouse. Monkey is there. Yeah, here mouse. Yes, got it. Mouse. Click on OK. Mouse came. Okay. So now we are writing program for both. Okay, now which is the selected sprite now? Which is the selected sprite now? If you are writing program, it will affect to which sprite? Selected sprite. Which is the selected sprite? Mouse. How you can understand this border? Now which block is, which sprite is selected? Cat. Why? Because it is the blue color here, border. Okay, now first I will program for cat. So select cat and you write the program here. When green flag click, then say hello. Okay, say means looks. What do you have to say? Say Hello, Mickey Mouse. Okay, hello, mouse. I'll write simply mouse for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Then broadcast. Broadcast means it's a one event. Correct? No broadcast? Yes, broadcast. Broadcast message one. Yes. What is the message one? Okay, that you have to give. Now wait. One program for cat is ready. Yes. So what is this message? Hello, mouse. That is the message. This is the message one. Broadcast into mouse. Then you click on the mouse sprite. Look here. Look here. Yes. Then you are writing here. It is empty. But when you click on cat, it is already programmed. Now again, go to mouse. Yes. And what you have to do? When another event, what is that? When I receive a message, look here. Here we are sending a message. Hello, mouse. So when that message one will receive, okay, message one will receive, what mouse will say? What mouse will say? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Okay, something you can type, whatever it is. And how are you also? Okay, then this message you have to send to cat. Correct now? So what you have to do again? You have to broadcast. Sorry, where it is broadcast. Okay, then which message? This is the message 2. Correct now? Which is the message? This is the message 2. This is the message. Okay, for this one, message 1. Yes, message 2. Here it should come, message 2. I am fine, thank you. Okay, yes, so let it be there. Then come back. After messaging, come to the cat. Then again, what do you have to do? When this message 2, wait. Here message 1 received, broadcast message 2. Here it is not coming. Yes, message 2. Yes, message 2. Correct now? Which is the message? This is the message 2. Okay, I am not writing. You want to write full. Okay, yeah, this is the message 2. Then you will come back to the cat, and once it is reached here, then we have to select message 2. After getting message 2, what? Cat again. So I too so happy. Okay, I too so, or thank you so much. Something you type. Thank you. Got it? So I'm going to full screen. Now you look here. Hello, mouse. Then message is here. I am fine. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Got it? Once again, I will show cat, and cat is sending one message. Broadcast is sending. Broadcast means sending. Hello, mouse. So this is the first message. Hello, mouse. It will reach here. Okay, when the message 1 reach, then it has to broadcast. Which has to broadcast? Yes. When the message 1 receive, who will broadcast? Who will send? Broadcast means sending. Mouse will send. What will send? Message 2. I am fine. Thank you. So when it will reach message, again reach back to the cat sprite. When receive message 2, thank you. Bye. So you can say bye. Once again, I am going to full screen and I'm clicking on green flag. So what will happen first? Cat will say, yes, cat. Hello, mouse. I'm fine, thank you. Bye. So when it is reaches, giving on like this. Very interesting. The animations are very interesting. Same way you can create your own games. How you can create your own games? All the informations are there in the tips. Already I told that one tips. There are many ready-made games are here. Ready-made games are there. You can use. All the steps are given here itself in computer. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Then next, last program. What is the last program? Once again, I will come back. So hello, children. Hello.
Hello, sir.
I
Hello, sir.
hope I hope you are getting, and your those are parents. Sometimes I told no, parents are sitting with the children. Okay, so I'm so happy, no problem. So let them learn computer. Good, no, freely free course. Okay, free course. If you learn fifth, sixth, and seventh standard, then you can attend PSC courses of computer and all. Very easy, simple questions will ask there. Okay, programming, it will be easy. So let them watch. So I'm last, we'll go to the last program. Yes, we'll go to the last one. Yes, what is the last one? Scratch project to make the sprite ghost to ghost to display. Ouch. When it touches the another sprite gobo, it will say ouch. Yes. Okay. So please take page number 98 in the textbook. Page number 98 in the textbook. 98. Yes. Figure 613b. It is already there. Yes. So you'll go to new project, new, don't serve. Then you will get a new one. Yes. And do we need the cat sprite here in this program? No. So what do you have to do? Right click, delete. Then you have to get two sprite. Oh, to say ghost 2. Ghost. I'm sorry. It is there in the textbook. I'm not simply telling you. Lecturers are talking and making games or animation about ghost. And you have many stories. Okay, correct? No? So it is not. It is not a simple one. It's a joke. There is no ghost at all. There is no ghost at all. Okay. And there are living ghosts. Correct? No? Like me, you, and somebody else. Yes, living ghosts. Yeah, of course. You have to afraid of that living ghost. Yeah, okay. Yes. So we will insert. Yes. Click on new sprite. And where it is? Ghost and Gobo. Ghost 2 and Gobo. Where is Ghost and Gobo? Is it there? There you go. Ghost 2. Yes, Ghost. Yes. And Gobo also is there. Yes, here. So first I will insert Ghost. Again go to sprite and go down, 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 down. Yes, Gobo. Okay. Now two sprites are ready. Now we are writing sprite for, you have to write the program for only Ghost 2. Correct? No, because Ghost is moving. Look here. Ghost is moving. When Ghost touch Gobo, then Ghost will say, oh, ouch, ouch. Because Ghost, I told no, Ghost is not real. Yes, when Ghost touch a normal Gobo, Ghost will cry, crying. Oh, I got pain, headache. Yes, so how we get, so we have to write the program for Gobo. So select Gobo sprite. Then what do you have to do? Exactly. Go to sprite, and when space key is pressed, when space key, where is the space key pressed? Of course, the one event. Correct? No? Yes. Here, when space key. Or instead of space key, you can select anything. Arrow key, right arrow key, down arrow key, A, B, C, D. Anything you can select here. See here. Anything you can select. So now I'm selecting here in the textbook space. When space key pressed, what had to happen? Move 10 steps. So motion, move 10 steps. Or 20 steps you have to move. Okay, 20 steps you move. 20 steps you move. Then what next? Yeah. If Gobo means this ghost touch Gobo. Correct? No? So if where it will come? It's a control. If who has to touch? Touching, where it comes, touch is a sensing. Touching, look here, touching, sensing, beating, heating, pinching. You will say in the classes, now there is no offline class now. Sir, that boy pinched me. Madam, this one scratched me. Correct? No? Sensing. Okay, sensing, touching. So you'll bring and put it inside. If touching mouse pointer, is it mouse pointer? No. Mousing Gobo. Is it Gobo only? No? Gobo. If touching Gobo, then what to do? If touching Gobo, then what to do? Say ouch. Who has to say ouch? Same. Which one? This is ghost only. Ghost only crying. Ghost is going to hit and ghost only will cry. So say means Looks. Say. What to say? Ouch. Correct? Normally we say, na, ouch. Exclamation mark. Ouch. Just for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. How much seconds did you have to say? Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, how much times you say? Then again, if one touch, then Ghost understood. Oh, Gobo is not a simple person. He is so stronger than me. Okay, so it has to go to its own place. Okay, what is the place of this ghost? Now, look here. Look here. Ghost place 150, 150, 180. Correct? No? So it has to go back. So I will type there. What I will type? Go to. Where is go to? Which block it is? 1 minute. Go to xy. Xy means motion only. Xy means motion. So we have to say go to, yes. Go to x. Go to x where it is. Yes. Go to x. Look here. So what is the sprite's place? Here you see 240. And here you see 240. Yes, there you write 240. Then here how much you have to give? Minus 115. Minus 115. Now you have to put inside. I know you're some are telling inside. Okay, now I will say full screen and I am clicking here and green flag. It is not working. Why it is not working? If I green flag click, nothing is working. Why? Because come back to the program. Is it there when the green flag click? No. When space bar press. Okay, the space key press, then only it will work. Okay, so again go to there and space bar I am pressing, moving 10 step, 15 step, moving. Ouch, it will touch here. Ouch. Yes, and it moved to some other place. So far from. Okay, some far from, not nearby. Ghost is, I told no, ghost is a very they can't do anything. They only will cry. Okay, once again I will show. When space bar move 20 steps, if Gobo, okay, this ghost touching Gobo, then say out, okay, sorry, and go back to which one? X, sorry, yes. Once again, full screen, flag will not work. Why? Because here space key has to click. Okay, once again I'll go and I'm pressing space key one time, moving. Did it touch? No. If touching only, it had to cry. Okay. Again, space bar, move 10 steps. Oh, no, it is not touched, not cry. Again, touch. Is it touch? No. False. Again, touch. Touch. Again, yes. If ghost touches the gobo and it will cry 3 seconds and go back into its place. He is not a girl. Babies, I know you are enjoying very nicely. Yes, it is a 9, 10, 11, 10. I'm stopping. Remaining time, 10 minutes. You have to write, complete your notes. Okay, complete your notes and the program you practice. Tech terms you have to learn. And this one, what is that one? Exercises. Already said, you correct it. You already written there. Please correct it. And prepare well for your exam or sorry, test. Correct? No? First monthly test. I think so. I forgot that one. Suddenly I forgot. Okay. I hope first exam that is computer writing. Correct? No, first test.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Okay.
Computer
Now you can.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now,
Computer.
now you can switch on the video. Switch on the video. I switch on the chat also. Okay. Anybody want to ask any doubts from this chapter? Nandita. Okay. Any doubts from this chapter means you can ask. Otherwise, I'm winding up. Again, I'm concluding saying you have only 2 chapters. That is first chapter and 6th chapter. Scratch programming. You have to learn. I will ask different patterns. Nothing. Fill in the blanks. Match the following true or false. Question answer. Then programming. Okay. So no need of asking the pattern of that one. Okay, fill in the blanks, match the following, true or false, choose correct answer, tech terms, then a question answer, then programs. Clear? Yes. Okay, so more than that, I cannot say anything. That one. So it is clear. Any doubts, sir? You can ask me now. Otherwise, I will wind out. Remaining time, please complete the notes. Got it? Okay, already they are quitting, saying bye, bye, bye. Okay, you can bye, bye, bye. Offline in Windows
Bye,
7.
sir.
How to install the Scratch means you can see in the YouTube link. Okay, YouTube link. So thank you. Best of luck for your first monthly test. Learn well. Thank you.